Listen, speak, read, write.
This is a free course. Please show your support. Subscribe, like, comment.
Lesson 3. Nouns.
This is Bob. Bob is a person. In grammar, a person is a noun. What are nouns? Nouns are words that represent a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns, people. Doctor, student, model, boss, speaker, cashier. Doctor, student, model, boss, speaker, cashier. Nouns, places. Park, kitchen, beach, classroom, library, work. Park, kitchen, beach, classroom, library, work. Nouns, things. Cake, car, pigeon, house, moon, artwork. Cake, car, pigeon, house, moon, artwork. Nouns, ideas. Love, freedom, independence, friendship, tranquility, comfort. Love, freedom, independence, friendship, tranquility, comfort. Reminder, nouns are words that represent a person, place, thing, or idea. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.